Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Ads to your Wix website so you can drive targeted traffic to your software tutorials, boost your sales, and start scaling your online presence in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Wix dashboard and access Marketing and SEO. The first step is moving into the Growth Hub of your Wix site. In 2026, Wix has integrated Google Ads directly into the dashboard to simplify the process of launching and tracking campaigns without needing to switch between different tabs. Log in to your Wix account and select your site. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to the Marketing and SEO section and click on Google Ads. Click the blue button that says Start Now or Create Campaign. Next, publish your site to the web. Before you can begin the setup process, your website must be live and accessible to the public. Google cannot crawl or verify a site that only exists in your editor's saved state. Go to your Wix editor and click the blue Publish button in the top right corner. Ensure you see the confirmation window that says, "Congratulations, your site is live." This is the visibility phase. In 2026, Google Ads requires a landing page that is fully functional and indexed. Publishing your site ensures that when your ads eventually go live, the link actually points to a real working page rather than an empty draft. Next, upgrade your plan and connect a custom domain. To run professional advertisements in 2026, Google and Wix require your site to meet specific business standards. You cannot run ads on a free Wix URL like https://username.wixsite.com. Click on Upgrade to select a premium or studio plan that supports marketing features. Once upgraded, navigate to settings.domains to connect a custom domain like .com or .net. If you don't have a domain yet, you can usually get one for free for the first year with most Wix annual plans. This is the professionalism phase. Google Ads will automatically reject campaigns that lead to free hosting URLs to prevent spam or low-quality results. Having a custom domain and an upgraded plan proves to Google that you are a legitimate business, which is essential for passing the security review and getting your ads approved. And that's pretty much it. To add Google Ads in 2026, start by publishing your site from the editor. Next, upgrade your Wix plan and connect a custom domain to meet Google's professional requirements. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.